Hello, everyone. This is Joe Ailts, account manager in Western Wisconsin, here to talk about hybrid performance in this great season we've had where the corn and the beans have performed really well. Today, I'm going to focus on the earlier hybrids in our corn lineup, that being 8639, 8761, and 9224. We got on your board up here on the screen. You can have a look at some of those cobs earlier season. I want to focus on, just to get started here, 8639. It's been a fantastic hybrid up in the Northland. It's a true 86-day hybrid at 2070 GDUs. Tends to be a little bit taller plant with a little bit higher ear placement, but it's got such strong agronomics in terms of its roots and disease package that this thing will stand quite well despite that taller plant. It's got incredible northern corn leaf blight resistance as well, so we know that this product can live through a challenging season and continue standing in the end. One of the facets I like about this particular hybrid is also its strong emergence. Despite the cold spring that we had with a wet cold and even some frost in places, this hybrid still pushed through the ground, and those plants were there mid-season when we came back out and checked those populations. So 8639, kind of a go-anywhere hybrid, does well in the sand, does well in the heavy ground. Something we were really focusing on in that mid to late 80-day range. Let's then transition to the next one on the list here, 8761. This is the new kid on the block, which is really showing some great potential. It is a 2190 GDU hybrid. It silks early, more like an 88, but it finishes out like a 92, which gives us that opportunity to reach for the yield punch. Now, this particular hybrid is going to be something we want to put on some better performing ground. I'd want to put this on a 9188 type ground where it has the ability to achieve its yield potential. And if you look at this hybrid, its cob structure is very closely looking like 9526. It's got that longer cob length, and we've seen this consistently across the area this year. With that, again, I think that this is an incredible up-and-comer in that late 80-day portfolio with top yield punch that really is best suited for the best ground out there. Let's now transition to the last one I'll talk about here today. That's 9224. And this is an interesting product that was put into our package lineup this year as a complement to 9188. And I think this one pairs really nice with that product in terms of identifying some grounds where we can put this out where 9188 may be a little bit limited. And I'm specifically talking about placing this product on heavy ground. This sucker does a great job on punching through on that heavy ground. We've seen it perform almost as good as 9188 in those conditions. Strong emergence, great root strength, 2140 GDU. It is planting right at a 92-day product. So with that said, 8639, 8761, 9224. It's a great package lineup for that late 80-day, early 90-day lineup, and go across a whole bunch of different soil types. If you want to find out more about these products, excuse me, certainly reference the Dropbox file that our agronomists have put together, where you can find all the product descriptions, their characteristics, and their ratings, quick and easy to access. Encourage you to jump on that Dropbox and pull down the information for these hybrids as you see fit. That said, thanks a bunch for your attention and happy selling.